In this lesson, viewers will consider means for teaching students to recognize and reflect on how museums construct knowledge, the role of objects and the sensory in knowledge formation, how objects and the sensory can motivate writing and literacy, and curation as a means of both knowledge and identity construction. Among the takeaways from this video lesson are instructors' ideas for organizing a museum studies field trip, developing a writing assignment focused on personal objects, and coordinating a learning activity based on curation. And now, without further ado, Dr. Gabrielle Tyack. In the following segment, Dr. Tyack discusses her role as a curator and how knowledge and meaning are constructed in museum spaces. As you are viewing this section, consider the following guiding questions. First, how reflective are your students about their role in knowledge construction when they go to a museum? What about in their neighborhood, barrio, ward, or city? Also, how might such reflections on their contributions to the meaning of a space create a culturally relevant form of primary research? What about a form of authorship? Considering Dr. Tyack's presentation, try this with your students. First, ask them to bring a treasured object to class. Then, develop an in-class writing prompt, asking students to write about how their treasured object speaks to them about who they are. For a Learning Frameworks class, instructors can ask, how does this object shape you as a student? In their familias or small groups or teams, ask students to share what object they brought and together curate an exhibit with each of their objects. How can the objects be arranged? What do they mean individually and all together? And how do these objects tell a story without needing words? Thank you for viewing Catch the Next Teaching and Learning for Student Success Professional Development video. Want to learn more? Browse our website at catchthenext.org and follow us on Facebook at Catch the Next and Twitter at @CatchCollege.